better addicted to ice than you know what.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I will be taking you through my nighttime winter routine, you guys. As you can see, I am just coming in from work, and usually the first thing I do is to relieve myself of the many layers of clothes that I have on, usually my winter jacket and my mask, and then I make my way to the living area to turn the heat on. Usually I keep the doors open during the day for ventilation, and then in the night I'll shut everything and turn the heat on. After that, I usually just head straight into the shower because, oh my god, since coronavirus, the place has been really like, it feels gross outside, to be honest, you guys. So I'm like showering the minute I get in. Usually, you guys, my showers are like very hot. So after every shower, I am like done for a few minutes. I have to like just lay on the bed and catch my breath, because oftentimes when I leave the shower I feel as if I am going to block out because of how much steam and how hot my showers are. And no, I am not going to put it any cooler. I love it blazing, burning hot.
We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up.
The first thing I usually do after getting a bath, you guys, is to make myself a ramen. If you follow me on Instagram, you know this is a part of my routine every single day. I like to have a hot bowl of ramen, instant ramen that is, right before I start getting into, you know, making dinners and all the things. So tonight I'm having this spicy Korean ramen, you guys. Like it is spicy. Like, do not play with Korea when it comes down to spice, okay? Like, it is hot, but I do have a high tolerance for spicy stuff, and so I enjoy this thing. Plus, tonight I did pair this one with some yogurt, and it is unbelievable how much eating yogurt while eating something spicy makes you not taste the spice. Like, you guys should try it. Like, have some yogurt with spicy food, you will not taste the spice. So that is what I did here, because, you know, I can tolerate spice but not too much, and this is like super spicy.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna
You guys, that stuff was flaming my tongues off, and you saw that I paired it with yogurt. It is crazy hot, so be careful if you do try it. Anyway, it's time now to move on to making dinner tonight. I was just doing something simple, a little Jamaican dish that we called baked bean and saltfish with a little rice on the side. So here I am just setting my rice on the stove.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on.
Alright, you guys, so while my rice is cooking, which by the way, I always cook my rice or steam my rice for 15 minutes. That's what you saw me doing on the timer in the clips before. But right now, I like to just start turning on my computer, because my computer is kind of a crappy computer, you guys. I always complain about it, but it's kind of crappy. So before I start working, I usually like to just turn it on, let it boot up and all of that stuff while I am cooking, so that when it's time for me to actually sit and start working, the computer is not lagging and doing all of the crazy stuff.
Even if life on the North Pole is cool, but don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Snowfall frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Okay, you guys, dinner is ready. So here we have the baked beans with the corn and saltfish. In Jamaica we call this baked bean and saltfish. I just added some corn in there. Over here we have some rice, and that is about it for a Wednesday night's dinner. So now I'm going to plate it up, have dinner, and then move on. Alright guys, this is my plate. Just a little tiny bit of food, or maybe it isn't, maybe it's a lot of food for some people, I don't know, but this is what I have. And to know me is to know that I put ketchup on everything, baby. Yes. And of course some Grace pepper sauce. This is not available in Japan, you guys. This was a part of my care package that I did maybe 2 or 3 months ago. Still have it going, and I'm going to eat off camera and then catch up back with you guys for the rest of my routine. Hey guys, so wow, you're zoomed. There we go, a little better. Lighting is a bad inside here, guys, but what I'm basically doing now is trying to make a thumbnail for my video, because I'm filming this video like on a Wednesday night, and I usually upload on Wednesdays, you know that. So the video is exporting and I'm trying to create a thumbnail, but my computer is lagging. It's not away, and wow, a lot of the time you'll hear me complain on Instagram that I have a shitty computer, and I have a shitty computer, you guys. There is no better word for it. I just gotta say it. I just gotta call the name. It's crappy. It's crappy. So things that should take me like 15 minutes to do, an hour to do, take me like 2 hours or 3 hours or whatever. I cannot imagine. It is now 8:13 and I'm going to get back on and tell you guys the time that I got through with everything using this computer. And I am cold. I know you saw me eating ice before, and that is just something that I do that is very, very bad, because I'm freezing and then I'm still eating ice. But it's just an addiction thing, you guys. Better addicted to ice than you know what. Anyways, back to work. Guys, finally I have uploaded my video to YouTube, and I have also created the thumbnail. And it is, what time? It is 10 minutes to 10 p.m, which is usually about the correct time that I, you know, try to stop work in the night and do other things like prepare to go to bed. But yeah, the video is going up. You guys will be seeing this video. It's my first Vlogmas video for 2020. You guys will be seeing this exact video a little later in Vlogmas, but this is what we have. No, I cannot play it for you guys because of course you guys would have seen it by the time you are seeing this video. And copyright issues, baby, we can't have that on NATZNIFICENT at all. So yeah guys, I'm gonna wrap this up and then start getting ready for bed.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days.
And guys, this is the time of the night when I like brush my teeth and get ready for bed, and I usually love to put clothes in the washer to wash while we are sleeping. If I have time in the morning, then I'll hang them up, or it waits until I get in from work the next day. But basically this is what I do, and it's definitely a part of my night routine.
Kindness yet for old lang syne, for old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet.
Also, cannot forget to moisturize because it is the winter time and no more than ever our skins are dry and ashy, honey, hello. So I usually just put my moisturizer on, I double layer that, and then I also go into the room and lotion my skin.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, yet for old lang syne, for old lang syne.
Okay, you guys, so I did go ahead and put my nighttime pajamas on off camera and did the lotioning of my skin there. But I just wanted to note that Adam was having a late night this night. He was teaching classes, and so usually Adam is the person that like washes the dishes after we eat during the night. So one person cooks, the other person washes the dishes. That is really just how we help each other. But this night he was very busy. He was teaching his classes, and so the dishes were going to be done like after he had finished those classes, and that is why you're seeing me going to bed alone. Some of the nights we go to bed together, some nights we don't. That is just the magnitude of the side hustle that we do. And from here on out, it is usually downhill and just relaxing portion of the night. I stop work at 10 p.m. every single night, you guys, and then from there I get ready for bed. And really, if Adam is free, we watch movies. Right now we're binge watching the Blacklist and also watching Christmas movies in between. But as I said, I was going to bed alone this night, so I just watched movies and wait on Adam to finish his classes.
When you're a million miles away, but maybe there's a star to lead the way. 'Cause I wanna hold you when Santa's coming around and kiss you right beneath that mistletoe.